Hello guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to use the healing tool in Lightroom. But before that, don't forget to subscribe and leave a comment down below, because at 10,000 subscribers I'm going to show you my whole YouTube revenue statistics and growth strategy. So without further ado, let's just jump right into it. First we have to open up the Lightroom app. And here, after it loads, from the gallery we have to select the picture that we want to edit. Sometimes it takes a bit of time, but let's select the picture. Let's say it's this one. Then, after selecting a picture and after it loads, from the bottom bar, we have to select Healing in the left side. We tap on Healing, and then Healing removes something from your picture that you select. Let's say I want to remove this bee from my picture. I select it, and then the software analyzes the picture and replaces it with something that fits the space that it occupied. Obviously it's not perfect, but going over it a few times it gets better and better. And also with less complex things like some garbage on a sidewalk, it works better. So yeah, that's pretty much it for this video. Hope it was helpful for you guys, and see you in the next one. Bye!